My name is Laura. I am 21 years old. I work for a very rich man. His name is Victor Ashford. He is 35, very tired, lonely, and empty. 3 months ago, he asked me to marry him. I believed him. I said yes. Last night, everything changed. His paralyzed wife woke up. And just like that, he forgot I existed. His wife, Helena, has been paralyzed for 3 years. She cannot move, cannot speak. She just sits in her wheelchair, staring at nothing. I take care of her. I feed her. I wash her. I brush her hair. I give her medicine. Victor and I started talking, late nights in the kitchen. He told me about his life, his pain, his loneliness. One night, he said, I feel dead inside. Helena is gone, not dead, but gone. I felt sorry for him. Then one night, he held my hand. You make me feel alive again, he whispered. My heart beat fast. But your wife, I whispered. She's not my wife anymore, he said. She's just a body. Doctors say she will never recover. He held my face in his hands. Marry me. I should have said no. I should have walked away. But I didn't. I said yes. For 3 months, we planned our future. He spoke of our wedding, our life, how happy we would be. He promised me everything. You are young. You deserve everything. I will give you everything. I believed him. Every word. Then, last week, something changed. I was feeding Helena breakfast. Her finger twitched. Mrs. Helena? I whispered. Later, her head moved. Just slightly. I called the doctor. Dr. Martinez examined her. This is remarkable, he said. She's responding. She might recover. Victor's face went white. That's impossible, he said. It is rare, said the doctor. With therapy, she may walk again, maybe talk. Victor stood frozen in the hallway. This changes everything, I whispered. He looked at me. His eyes were dark, confused, scared. No, he said. It doesn't. I love you, Laura, not her. But his voice did not sound sure. The next few days, Helena improved fast. Therapist came every day. Victor watched every session from the doorway. His face softened. One evening, I found him sitting beside her wheelchair, holding her hand. She squeezed my hand today, he said quietly. My heart froze. She's coming back. Laura, my wife, she's coming back. I felt cold inside. What about us? He did not answer. One day, Helena's sister came to visit. She looked at me. Her eyes were sharp. She said, Do not waste your time. He will never leave Helena. She owns half his business. He cannot leave her. You should go back to your poor land. Her words cut me. I wanted to scream. I wanted to argue, but I could not. Victor started to change. He became distant. I felt him slipping away. That night, Victor came to my room. His eyes were red. He looked down. What we had, it was not real. We were lonely. He turned to leave, then stopped. You should go back to Brazil. I'll pay you 3 more months, but you must leave. He walked away. 3 months of promises, gone. The next morning, I packed my bag. My father drove me to the airport. "Are you okay?" he asked. "No," I said, "but I will be." 3 weeks later, I married Carlos in Brazil, the man my mother chose for me. He is kind, simple. He works on his farm. I do not love him, but at least he will not break my heart. 6 months later, a letter came from America, from Victor. "Dear Laura, Helena is walking now, talking, laughing. She's like she never left. Thank you for taking care of her, for taking care of me. I'm sorry for the pain I caused you, Victor." I burned the letter. I do not want his apologies. I do not want his gratitude. I want nothing from him. That is the truth about men with money. Their promises mean nothing. Their love means nothing. I learned that at 21. I will never forget it.